In this video, I'm going to show you guys the Pilot Diary herb grinder. I'm going to show you how does it look like and how you can use it. So stay tuned. They have 3 different models, so the design is different, but the grinder is the same. Oh, this one is really cute. I have this design of a SpongeBob. That's really nice and neat. I really love the cartoon design on this one. And this grinder is really good build quality. Nice. And this one is the Rick and Morty design for the Rick and Morty fans right there. As you can see, this is a really nice, cool cartoon style that they have on this product. For the last one, the Super Mario. I really like the cartoon design on these grinders, and I think it should be a good collection for yourself or a good gift if you want to give it to someone else. So all of these grinders are made from the high quality aluminum and they are really nice built. Let's go ahead and open it and show you guys the different layers of this grinder. Okay, so the first layer is the grinder itself. As you can see, these are the teeth that grinds the herb. The grinder purpose is just to grind any herb, spices in the kitchen. You can grind tobacco, leaves, whatever you want with this grinder. So this is the first layer that you put your herb right on top and you close it and you start grinding. And the second layer, so after the herbs gets grinded, it goes on top of this mesh screen, as you can see. And this chamber is actually for filtering even smaller particles. So let's see the last layer. And yeah, and on the last chamber, we have these little tiny scraper just to get all of the herbs and spices out of this chamber. That's pretty neat and cool and easy to use. So I'm gonna use this grinder and show you guys the result and show you guys the process. For this series of grinders, they have been committed to developing a practical, convenient and beautiful products. All of their materials are made of high quality aluminum alloy and they keep innovating in patterns and details. These patterns are unique design, vivid and clear, and exclusive designs, and give you guys more choices. 48 precisely placed grinding teeth guarantees the best grind, extreme efficiency, and effortless grinding. With stainless steel mesh screens, you can get clean and ultra-fine powders from ground herbs. The bottom chamber has a handy scraper and a cleaning brush, included for collecting and cleaning any finer particles and ensuring no waste. To test this grinder, I used some of the spices around the kitchen and started grinding. So you need to put the spices and leaves or tobacco on the top chamber, and the lid is magnetic, so you just close it and start grinding. For a better result, you need to grind a couple of more times to get finer particles. And this is what it looks like after you grind the first time, and if you need a smaller than that, you just need to grind a couple of more times. I tried some of the bigger leaves to test this grinder out, and this is the result. And I also tried the harder spices, and this is the result. Overall, I'm really happy about these grinders and I totally recommend it to you guys.